The Great Trombone Shorty.
All right, now, we've heard a lot about New York, Chicago, and even the Delta. Well, I'm here to tell you it all started in New Orleans. We put together brass band, second line beats, and a whole lot of funk. And that's how jazz was born. So right about now, let's head on down to the bayou, y'all. Can we go down to the bayou right now? Hey.
Do you wanna funk it up?
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 Do you wanna?
Do you?
Do you wanna?
Do you?
Do you wanna funk it up?
Here we go now, fire on the bayou. Fire on the bayou. Do like you wanna. Fire on the bayou. Fire on the bayou. Down in New Orleans, you're looking thin. He wouldn't deal ya for the fifth of gin. One do want it, I'm bottle of wine. He hit that do, y'all, yes he did, for $1 and a dime. Light your fire on the bayou. Do like you want a fire on the bayou. Do like you want a fire on the bayou. Fire on the bayou. Swamp water running through my veins. I say the Mississippi River can't be tamed. I pull my B-roll in the middle of the night. I'm a downtown ruler, and I can do it right. Let me hear you say fire on the bayou. Do like you want a fire on the bayou. I say fire on the bayou. Fire on the bayou. Let me get funky a little bit.